Xamarin Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Xamarin Mobile App Development Platform. Links to the products and resources mentioned are included in the description below, so feel free to check them out as we dive in. Xamarin, a Microsoft product, is a cross-platform development tool designed for creating native mobile apps for iOS, Android, and Windows using a single codebase written in C#. This platform is particularly well-suited for developers familiar with the .NET ecosystem or those looking to create high-performance apps with native capabilities without sacrificing efficiency. One of Xamarin's standout features is its ability to deliver fully native UI and performance, thanks to its bindings for native APIs. This means you can access platform-specific features directly, ensuring that your app feels like it was built specifically for that platform. Xamarin.Forms, its high-level framework, simplifies development even further by allowing you to create a single shared UI that translates across platforms, perfect for apps with a consistent design. For developers needing a more customized approach, Xamarin.iOS and Xamarin.Android provide direct access to platform-specific SDKs, giving you the flexibility to optimize where it matters most. Xamarin also integrates seamlessly with Visual Studio, enabling features like IntelliSense, debugging, and easy project management, which enhances productivity. The platform's support for a shared code base reduces development time and costs significantly, making it a great option for businesses and developers focused on efficiency. However, it's not just for professionals. Xamarin's documentation, community support, and free-tier licensing make it accessible to those just starting in mobile app development. One notable advantage is the inclusion of Xamarin Essentials, a library providing cross-platform APIs for common features like device sensors, geolocation, and secure storage, eliminating the need to reinvent the wheel for basic functionality. However, keep in mind that Xamarin apps can sometimes have larger initial file sizes compared to purely native solutions, and mastering Xamarin Forms nuances may require some learning curve. In summary, Xamarin stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for creating robust native-like apps efficiently. Whether you're an enterprise developer or an indie creator, Xamarin offers the tools you need to succeed in cross-platform app development. Check out the links in the description to explore Xamarin further.